Hey the YouTube fam. Welcome back to Creative Life. Today, I have some thrilling news to share with all of you. We are launching the Internet of Things series. Let's see the topics to be covered. What to do on your first week with us on IoT. Hello everyone, I'm Nirja from Creative Skills. I will be taking your topic on how to explore the limitless possibilities and cutting-edge innovations that IoT brings to our daily lives. From smart homes to connected cities, we will take you on an adventure that will leave you amazed. In further topics, we will be dealing with those interesting concepts on the Internet of Things.
We're excited to have you on board. Hello everyone, I am Tony from Creative Life. We'll be dealing with the most innovative parts of IoT devices, discussing the latest trends, and providing you with practical tips and tricks to get the most out of this incredible technology.
But that's not all. Hello everyone, I am Sarah from Creative Life. We'll also explore the impact of IoT on various industries, such as healthcare, transportation, and agriculture. You'll be amazed at how IoT is revolutionizing these sectors and shaping the future.
You are not alone in this journey. I am Prabhat from Creative Life. We will break down complex IoT concepts into easy-to-understand explanations. We will draw diagrams, use real-world examples, and make sure you are not only entertained but also learning something new in each episode.
Are you as excited as I am? I bet you are. So, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single episode of our thrilling IoT series.